So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Bluetooth is not enabling or it is disconnecting again and again. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the Windows plus R key on your keyboard, and the run prompt will open. Now here you have to search for services.msc. Simply hit OK, and you'll notice that the services bar will open. Now here you have to go to the setting, that is Bluetooth support service. Simply right click over there, and in your case it might be set to disabled if you are not able to turn on the Bluetooth or having any connection related to Bluetooth connectivity. Now make sure to set it to automatic and hit apply, and you'll notice that all the problems related to Bluetooth will definitely gonna solve, and just simply give a restart to your laptop if it doesn't. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.